Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, January 11th. We got some good stuff on the docket today. Here at 8:30, we had core CPI that came in at 0.3%, which was as expected, which looks very benign. However, if we dig a little bit deeper, we see that that CPI month over month was actually at 0.3%, greater than the expected. Remember, if this is a positive number, it means that interest rates or prices are going up. So anytime this is a positive number, prices are going up. That is bad, okay? And why does core look like it's just fine? Because core subtracts energy and food prices because they are very volatile. Now, why would you want to subtract food and energy prices, since we all pay for food and we all pay for energy, and it's part of everything that we spend our money on, which is the CPI. That's what it is, what people spend their money on. What is it going up? Is it going down? So anytime you see the word core in front, throw that number out. It's garbage. They're taking out the things that really are important for everybody's everyday life. So there you go. Anytime I see core, it just pisses me off because they're on purpose taking out some of the things that are really important to determining whether the consumer price index is actually going up. CPI went up more than expectation. This is bad news. CPI year over year as 3.4% versus 3.2. Also bad. It means prices are going up. What does prices going up mean? Inflation is going up. What does inflation going up mean? The Fed is going to either at least keep rates at the same place or may have to raise rates. This is bad. Bad for the economy. However, we did have some good news. Unemployment claims were less than expected at 202,000 versus 209,000. What else do we have? We have natural gas storage at 10:30. 1 o'clock, we have the bond auction and federal budget at 2 p.m. So we've had all the red items already come out. Let's see what the market decided to do with that. Well, you can see here we're going to be gapping down slightly. Again, we're back into this sort of sideways action here. Had a lot of traders I speak with complain about the directionalist market and how hard it is intraday. It is. It's a tough market right now. That being said, where's the top side? Top side is going to be these highs, retesting these highs at 48.40, maybe even able to get up into that 48.60 if we get a run. On the downside, the low from a couple of days ago, 47.66 would probably be where I'd be watching for. Also, want to look at ATR. So ATR is the average true range, and this is by points. So it's right today it's 48.92, or about 49 points is the average true range. Why do I bring that up? I bring it up because a lot of times you'll see a gap down and then it runs up all day long. You're thinking, oh man, this can't go how much farther could this thing go? Well, look at the average true range and it'll give you an idea what the average range is for any particular day. And so if it's been going, the market's been going up all morning, you say, hey, it can't go up any farther. Maybe it can. So it's a good way to give you an idea of what is actually could happen based on the average ranges over the last few days. Looking at the 60-minute here for inventory, yesterday we had positive price action. We had positive price, positive inventory, so those are correlated. Nothing to worry about there. Looking at the intraday for support and resistance, there's the big reaction to the CPI being greater than expected. Bad news because the Fed could delay lowering rates and or raise rates if this continues. So market did not like that, and that is the expected reaction. So yeah. So where do we have support and resistance? We definitely have some resistance at the overnight high, 48.38, some at 48.56, and a decent confluence at 48.76. Support is around 4,800, the whole number. around I'm going to say 47.82 and maybe around 47.61. So that is where your support and resistance are. Stock Trader's Almanac for the 11th is 47.6. 47.6. So that is a negative expectancy historically from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe, number 1, 2, comment, and 3, like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.